warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 4A. We will presentation about company and job. Introduce. My name is Tania Mu'minatus Solihah.
My name is Tri Lestari.
My name is Siva Miftahul Jannah.
My name is Rumi Latifah.
Happy watching! Match the term on the left with the definition on the right. Number 1. Founder. The answer is C. A person who establishes an organization. Number 2. Annual turnover. The answer is F. Annual turnover is the amount of business that a company does in 1 year. Number 3. Shareholding. The answer is B. Shareholding is a part of company that is owned by a person or by other company. Number 4. Subsidiary. The answer is D. Subsidiary is a smaller company that is owned by another bigger company. Number 5. Division. The answer is E. Division is one of the sectors or groups in a business or organization. Number 6. Multinational company. The answer is A. Multinational company is a large company that does business in several different countries. Read the description of Toyota Motor Corporation and complete the profile below. Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota Motor Corporation is a multinational corporation headquartered in Japan and is currently the world's largest automaker. It achieved an annual turnover of over 25 billion in 2014. In 1937, Toyota was founded by Kiichiro Toyoda as an independent company decided to the produce of automobiles. In 1957, the automaker exported the first Japanese car to the United States and established American and Brazil division. The company expanded in 1960 with a now research and development facility and established world presence by the 1970. Today, the company owns the brands Lexus and Sion and has shareholding in Daihatsu Motors, Isuzu Motors, and Yamaha Motors. It operates 55 subsidiaries and has a workforce of over 33,000 people. One headquarter. Toyota Motor Company is headquartered in Japan. Kantor pusat Toyota Motor ada di Jepang. Number 2. Founder. Toyota Motor Company founder is Kiichiro Toyoda. Pendiri Toyota Motor ini adalah Kiichiro Toyoda. Number 3. Year founded. Toyota Motor Company year founded in 1937. Tahun didirikan Toyota Motor ini adalah 1937. Number 4. Year of expansion to US. Toyota Motor Company year of expansion US in 1957. Tahun ekspansi Toyota Motor ini 1957. Number 5. Employees. Toyota Motor Company has more employees than 33,000 people. Karyawan Toyota Motor Company ini lebih dari 330.000 orang. Number 6. Subsidiaries. Toyota Motor Company has 3,500 subsidiaries. Toyota Motor Company ini sudah memiliki anak perusahaan lebih dari 545. Number 7. Turnover. Toyota Motor Company is turnover in over $25 billion. Number 8. Shareholding. Toyota Motor Company in Daihatsu Motor, Isuzu Motors, and Yamaha Motors. Toyota Motor Company ini memiliki kepemilikan saham yaitu Daihatsu, Isuzu, dan Yamaha Motors. Number 9. Brand owned. Toyota Motor Company is brand owned in Lexus and Scion. Toyota Motor Company memiliki merek yaitu Lexus and Scion.
Inditex is the biggest fashion group and clothing retailers in the world. The company owns well-known brands such as Zara, Pull and Bear, Massimo, Oshio, and Stradivarius. Inditex was formed in Spain in 1975. Its founder, Amancio Ortega Gaona, is the richest man in Spain and of the richest men in the world. Today, the group runs over 6,600 retail stores worldwide and employs over 128,000. Inditex design and manufactures almost everything be itself and new. Design delivers with works to Zara stores around the world. This ends up to more than 10,000 new designs every year. Action 2014. Inditex makes a profit of €2.5 billion.
1. Headquarters. Inditex CI has headquarters in Spain. 2. Founder. Inditex CI founder is Amancio Ortega Gaona. 3. Years founder. Inditex CI years founder 1975. 4. Employers. Inditex CI has more employees than 128,000 people. 5. Number of stores. Inditex CI has more number of stores than 6,600 people. 6. Turnover. 2014. Inditex CI is turnover 2014 is made a profit of 2.5 euros. 7. Brand owned. Inditex CI is brand owned in Zara, Pull and Bear, Massimo, Oshio, Dan, and Stradivarius. 8. Profits 2014. Inditex CI profits 2014.
Now, read to the three employers of an IT distribution company called Excel System describing their job. Complete their profiles below. Anthony Smart. My name's Anthony Smart. I am the chief accountant for Excel System. I am responsible for cash flow, credit control, preparing financial statements, accounting reports, and so on. On the whole, I enjoy my work. I've always enjoyed working with numbers. I also like the company culture and the people here at Excel. It's a very friendly and supportive work environment. One task I don't quite like is coaching from late pairs. That can be rather unpleasant sometimes. Dan di sini terdapat 4 kolom yang di situ kita diperintah untuk mengisi atau melengkapi kolom-kolom tersebut sesuai dengan teks di atas. Yang pertama, position. The position is the chief accountant for Excel system. Jadi seperti yang tadi saya jelaskan, posisi Anthony Smart adalah kepala akuntan untuk sistem Excel. Dan yang kedua ada juga kolom responsibilities. The responsibilities is cash flow, credit control, preparing financial statements, accounting reports, and so on. Jadi di sini juga ada kolom tanggung jawab. Yang di situ Anthony Smart bertanggung jawab sebagai penanggung jawab arus kas, pengendalian kredit, menyiapkan laporan keuangan, laporan akuntansi, dan lain sebagainya. Dan kolom yang ketiga yaitu enjoys. The enjoys is working with number and like the company culture and the people at Excel, it's very friendly and sportive work environment. Di situ juga terdapat kolom menikmati. Yang di situ Anthony Smart menikmati bekerja dengan angka dan dia juga menikmati budaya orang-orang perusahaan Excel yang sangat ramah dan mendukung. Dan yang keempat yaitu ada juga kolom does not enjoy is causing from late payers. Jadi di situ ada juga kolom tidak menikmati. Ya di sana menjelaskan bahwa Anthony Smart tidak menikmati atau tidak menyukai mengejar dari pembayar yang terlambat. Susan Cork. My name is Susan Cork. I work for Excel System as Human Research Manager. My responsibilities include recruiting new employees and organizing training for company staff. It's also my job to improve the company's working conditions. I find my work very interesting mainly because I enjoy working with people. It's also very satisfying to see employees improve and develop their skill because of initiatives that I have put into practice. What I don't like so much is when I have to deal with a difficult employee. For example, somebody who is habitually late, takes too many days off, or does not meet deadlines. That can be rather stressful, but likely it does not happen too often. Di sini terdapat juga 4 kolom. Yang pertama yaitu position. The position is Human Resource Manager for Excel System. Di sini terdapat kolom posisi. Yang di situ posisi Susan Cork dalam Excel System sebagai manajer sumber daya manusia. Dan kolom yang kedua yaitu responsibilities. The responsibilities is recruiting new employees and organizing training for company staff. Jadi, kolom yang kedua yaitu tanggung jawab. Berdasarkan teks di atas, tanggung jawab Susan Cork dalam perusahaan yaitu merekrut karyawan baru dan menyelenggarakan pelatihan untuk staf perusahaan. Dan kolom yang ketiga yaitu enjoys. The enjoys is working with people, see employees improve and develop their skills because of initiative that have put into practice. Dan kolom yang ketiga yaitu kolom menikmati. Di sana Susan Cork menikmati bekerja bersama orang lain dan dia juga senang melihat karyawan yang meningkatkan dan mengembangkan keterampilan mereka karena inisiatif yang telah dipraktikkan. Dan kolom yang keempat yaitu does not enjoy. Does not enjoy is deal with
difficult employee. Example, somebody who is habitually late, takes too many days off, or does not meet deadlines. Di sana juga ada kolom tidak menikmati. Yang di sana Susan Clark tidak menikmati atau tidak senang berurusan dengan karyawan yang sulit, misal seseorang yang biasanya terlambat, mengambil hari libur yang terlalu banyak, atau bahkan tidak memenuhi tenggat waktu.
Daniel Goldman. My name's Daniel Goldman, and I'm the managing director of Excel system. I'm responsible for the day-to-day running of the business, including managing projects, organizing people work, and dealing with suppliers and important customers. I'm also in charge of developing the company long-term strategy. What I like most about my work is the responsibilities, the challenge, and of course the salary. I also really enjoy motivating and inspiring all the people to achieve their goals and develop the company. The part I do not really like is the long hours. It's not uncommon for me to spend 12 hours in office, which does not leave me much time for my family. On top of that, my job can get pretty stressful at times, especially when we have problems with our suppliers. Di sini terdapat 4 kolom yang di situ kita diperintah untuk mengisi sesuai dengan teks di atas. Kolom pertama yaitu position. The position is managing director of Excel system. Kolom kedua yaitu responsibilities. The responsibilities is day-to-day running of the business, including managing project, organizing people's work, dealing with suppliers and important customer. Kolom ketiga yaitu enjoy. The enjoy motivating and inspiring all the people to achieve their goals and develop the company. Kolom keempat yaitu does not enjoy. Does not enjoy is long hours spent 12 hours in the office, which does not leave much time for family.